Question number 70. If R and S are two integers, then I have to tell the value of R and S such that this expression is an integer. So सबसे पहले इस expression को अपन simplify करेंगे. What we will do is we will simplify side by side, and then what we will see is what happens to our numerator or to our denominator. 6 raised to the power r plus s can be written as 2 into 3 raised to the power r plus s, which is equal to 2 raised to the power r plus s multiplied by 3 raised to the power r plus s. Similarly, 12 raised to the power r minus s can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power r minus s, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2r minus 2s multiplied by 3 raised to the power r minus s. Now my given expression, which is equal to 6 raised to the power r plus s. Now 6 raised to the power r plus s multiplied by 12 raised to the power r minus s will be equal to 2 raised to the power r plus s into 3 raised to the power r plus s into 2 raised to the power 2r plus s into 3 raised to the power r minus s. थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करें, so it will be 2 raised to the power r plus s plus 2r minus s multiplied by 3 raised to the power r plus s plus r minus s. So it will get to simplify to 2 raised to the power 3r multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2r. ठीक है, 2 raised to the power 3r into 3 raised to the power 2r. Now what I will do, I will simplify the terms of denominator. Now my denominator was 8 raised to the power r into 9 raised to the power r plus 2s. So my denominator was 9 raised to the power r plus 2s, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 into r plus 2s, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 2r plus 4s. And 8 raised to the power r was equal to 2 raised to the power 3r. So my denominator was finally equal to 9 raised to the power r plus 2s multiplied by 8 raised to the power r is equal to 3 raised to the power 2r plus 4s multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3r. This is equation number second, and this is equation number first. So ATQ, what we will do first divided by second. So first divided by second, what I will have, first divided by second, what I will have, 2 raised to the power 3r into 3 raised to the power 2r, 2 raised to the power 3r into 3 raised to the power 2r divided by 2 raised to the power 3r multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2r plus 4s. So this will finally become equal to 2 raised to the power 3r minus 3r multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2r minus 2r minus 4s. So this will solve and this will be equal to 3 raised to the power minus 4s. So for this expression to be an integer, for this expression to be an integer, this minus 4s should be greater than 0 because अगर ये minus 4s less than 0 होगा, so in that case this will be 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4s. If minus 4s is less than 0, then my expression will become 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 4s. क्यों ऐसा मैंने बोला? क्योंकि मैंने आप लोग को एक आइडेंटिटी बताई थी, a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So my minus 4s should be greater than 0. That means my value of s should be less than 0. So my correct answer of this question will be option number B. This is how you were required to solve this question. Question number 18. 2 raised to the power A is greater than 4 raised to the power C. 3 raised to the power B is greater than 9 raised to the power A. And A, B, C are positive numbers. Then I have to give the relation between A, B, and C. So from this, what I will have is 2 raised to the power a is greater than 4 raised to the power c. That means 2 raised to the power a will be greater than 2 raised to the power 2c, or I can say that a will be greater than 2c. Okay, that means a will be greater than c. अगर a 2c से बड़ा है, that means a will be greater than c. Similarly, what I can say is 3 raised to the power b is greater than 9 raised to the power a. That means 3 raised to the power b will be greater than 3 raised to the power 2a. That means what I will have here is b will be greater than 2a, क्योंकि अगर बेसिस सेम होते हैं तो हम अपन पावर्स को डायरेक्टली कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. What it will give me, b will be greater than a. Now a is greater than c and b is greater than a. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. From equation number first and second, from first and second, b will be greater than a will be greater than c. This will be the answer of my question. So b will be greater than a will be greater than c. So my option will be option number a. b will be greater than a and a will be greater than c. This is how you were required to solve this. Okay, question number 19. 2 raised to the power 2008 minus 2 raised to the power 2007 minus 2 raised to the power 2006 plus 2 raised to the power 2005 is equal to k into 2 raised to the power 2005. Then I have to calculate the value of k. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन हमारे लिए नहीं, जुपिटर वालों के लिए. सबसे पहले क्या करो, 2 रेज टू पावर 2008 की वैल्यू निकाल दो, फिर उसको 2 रेज टू पावर 2007 की वैल्यू से माइनस कर दो. उसके बाद जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा उसको 2 रेज टू पावर 2006 से माइनस कर दो, फिर जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसमें 2 रेज टू पावर 2005 जोड़ दो, और उसके बाद उसको 2 रेज टू पावर 2005 से डिवाइड करके के की वैल्यू निकाल दो. ओके, शायद ऐसा जुपिटर पे या मार्स पे कभी होता होगा, बट व्हाट आई विल डू हियर इज I will write 2 raised to the power 2006 as 2 into 2 raised to the power 2005. मैंने एक आइडेंटिटी पढ़ी थी, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Similarly, what I will do, I will write 2 raised to the power 7 as 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2005, and 2 raised to the power 2008 as 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 2005. Now my given expression will be 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 2005 minus 2 raised to the power 7 minus 2 raised to the power 6 minus 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 5 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power 2005, then plus plus 2 raised to the power 2005 is equal to k into 2 raised to the power 2005. So solving further, what I will get here is, first of all, I will take 2 raised to the power 2005 as common. So it will be 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 square minus 2 plus 1 will be equal to k into 2 raised to the power 2005. So I will cancel 2 raised to the power 2005 from both left hand side and right hand side. So my k will be equal to 8 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. So k equal to 3 will be my correct answer of this question. So this is how you were required to solve this question. So question number 20 has some error. So we will not deal question number 20. We will deal with question number 21. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम एक आइडेंटिटी का यूज करेंगे a रेज टू द पावर m अपॉन n इज इक्वल टू a रेज टू द पावर m divided by a raised to the power n. Now my given expression will reduce to 4 raised to the power x minus 4 raised to the power x divided by 4, which is equal to 24. Simplifying further, what I will do is I will take 4 raised to the power x common. So this will be 1 minus 1 upon 4, which will be equal to 24. Okay. So further, 4 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 upon 4 will be equal to 24. So what I will have is 4 raised to the power x is equal to 24 into 4 divided by 3, which is equal to 8 into 4. Now what I will here is have is 4 raised to the power x can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power x. And here my right hand side will become 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2. So from here what I am having is 2 raised to the power 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power 5, which gives me 2x equal to, sorry, 2x is equal to 5. अब मुझे कैलकुलेट क्या करना है? फाइनली व्हाट आई हैव टू कैलकुलेट इज 2x रेज टू द पावर x. मेरे को 2x रेज टू द पावर x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. So 2x raised to the power x will be equal to 2x की वैल्यू कितनी है? 5 raised to the power 5 upon 2. Now let me see in what form my options are being given. In what form my options are being given. So यहां से मुझे देख के ऐसा लगता है कि ऑप्शन नंबर सी शुड बी करेक्ट. कैसे भाई? This will be square root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. दो के मैं दो पेयर्स यहां से निकाल सकता हूं. So one pair will be this one, another pair will be this one. So this will be 5 into 5 square root of 5, which is equal to 25 root 5. So my option number C will be my correct option. So this is how you were required to. Question number 22 is same as question number I guess 19 or 20 जो अपन ने अभी डिस्कस किया था. So what I will do here is I will write 2 raised to the power 73 as 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 71. Similarly, 2 raised to the power 72 can be written as 2 into 2 raised to the power 71. So my given expression 2 raised to the power 73 minus 2 raised to the power 72 minus 2 raised to the power 71 will become 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 71 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power 71 minus 2 raised to the power 71. Simplifying, what it will be, 2 raised to the power 71 मैंने कॉमन ले लिया, so it will be 2 square minus 2 minus 1 which is equal to 2 raised to the power 71 multiplied by 4 minus 3 which is equal to 2 raised to the power 71. So my option number C will be the correct answer of this question. So this is how you were required to solve this. Okay, if x is equal to 0 minus 0.5, then I have to tell which of the following is the smallest. तो एक एक करके वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट करते हैं. If x equal to minus 0.5, so 1 upon x will be equal to minus of 1 upon 0.5, which is equal to minus 2. So 2 raised to the power 1 upon x will be equal to 2 raised to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 upon 4. This is option number A. Similarly calculate करते हैं option number B कितना होगा. 1 upon x will be equal to minus of 1 upon 0.5, which is equal to minus 2. This will be option number B. Option number C is 2 raised to the power x. 2 raised to the power x will be equal to 2 raised to the power minus 0.5, that is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 by 2, which is equal to, rationalize कर दें, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2 divided by 2. That will come out to be something around 0.07, क्योंकि 1.414 divided by 2 होता है, so it will be 1.414 divided by 2, which will be equal to 0.702 approximately. ठीक है, but this number will be greater than 0, that is sure shot. Okay, now last option is 1 upon square root of minus x. 1 upon square root of minus x. Square root of minus x, that is 1 upon square root of minus 0.5, which will be equal to 1 upon square root of 0.5, okay, which is equal to 1 upon square root of 1 upon 2, which will be equal to square root of 2. Now I have to tell which number is smallest. So my option number D is also a positive number. Option number C is also a positive number, but option number B is a negative number. Option number A is also a positive number. So my smallest number will be option number B. That is 1 upon x will be the smallest number among all these 4 given options. So this is how you are supposed to solve this very easy question. Okay, thank you.